Today I would like to say a few words here because the world is extremely busy. Why it's so busy? Because everybody is trying to search happiness. That's why, everybody is running up and down from the morning to night, day after day, year after year. What they're really doing, if you really think carefully, they're actually seeking happiness. So they're wasting their whole lifetime to seeking happiness. But the question is, are they really getting what they're seeking for? Not necessarily, because a lot of us, even though we are so busy running up and down, we actually don't know how to build the real happiness. And it's very, very obvious and very clear that external material cannot give us the real happiness. So that's why instead of we are looking outside and searching happiness from outside, I think we should turn around ourselves and look into our mind. Where is the real base and where is the real source of building our happiness? If you really think carefully, the only way to build happiness for ourselves is actually, research or contemplate in our mind. Because external material, there's no limit. The more you have, more you want. If you have a $1 million, you want it too. If you have a one house, you want to make it, 2, 3 more. There's no limit. I think the best way of building happiness is the containment, which means that you're happy with whatever you have. You appreciate with everything that you get. So once you have these, you don't have to live in a luxury house and drive expensive car. Still you can have happiness. I think there's only 2 ways to build the genuine happiness. So one is, because if you look around, there are only 2 things that we need: wealth and companion or friendship. So the best wealth is the containment. Once you have a containment, which means that happy with everything you have no sort of unlimited desire seeking here and there. So you're totally happy with whatever you have. And then the second condition for your happiness is a companion. We seek our friend, a relationship, a community, and all this. I think if you have the real, genuine compassion, genuine loving kindness for all beings, all the people, I think this would be your best friend. Once you know how to contemplate or how to cultivate these 2 aspects, I think you will be really happy. You're making your life really meaningful, really successful. So of course there are more profound ways and profound paths that we can talk about in terms of Buddha's messages and so forth. But for now, these are the 2 important things that if you can cultivate these, it really can give us certainly give us a lot of happiness. I hope and pray that everybody would understand this way instead of always looking outside and finding things that hoping that these will make a happiness. And I hope that everybody will get a time to look around and look into our mind and rest on our mind, see how to cultivate their containment and compassion. So thank you.